Hey guys, it's me again. I am in my room, and you know what? I just got back from Austining lawnmower, and Home Depot. I got this bucket from Home Depot, because I wanted to. That knife did not. It's for this. And I got this book all about lawns, just so I know a little bit more. This bucket will be in the garage soon enough. The reason why I'm in my room today is because it's freaking freezing outside and I don't want to freeze, so I'm inside. But I got the piece. I got the mini cultivator for the STHIL combi system for my weed whacker. And I'm going to unbox it for you guys, so here we go. Here. So I had just gotten back, as I said before, and just looking around. So let's see. Just throw this bucket. Now let's see here. Oh. Boom. Okay. Let's see here. Here's the pull for it. You can tell it's genuine STHIL products, and it's very rugged. Oh wow, let's see. The cultivator tines. Over there. And the yard, which is a nice feature. Oh shit. Put this down here. Just have to go get the instructions. Should be fairly easy to put together. Let's see. Oh yeah. my tool. Together. That's gonna go anywhere. Just take these up a little bit more. There we go. My new STHIL mini cultivator, all put together. I got it from Austin Lawnmower, as you guys know. STHIL comedy system, BFKM, and yeah. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye.